Good morning, everybody. We're coming at you. We got 13 miles to go today, so shorter than our last two. We've done two 16s. It's a little cold and windy this morning, but I think we're both happy that we've got a little bit of a shorter day ahead of us. How are you feeling?
Yep. Happy it's a shorter day. My body is a little sore, so.
Yeah, Alice is feeling it. Feeling the last 2 days.
Yeah, my toesies hurt, my shin hurts, but life must go on.
That's right.
I must keep hiking.
Yeah, and we're only 2 days away from town.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get a warm bed there.
I need a shower.
Shower, clean
Stinky.
clothes.
Salty.
Yeah, we were all really sweaty yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, well, we'll show you what we see today. All right, we made it to Sam's Gap. Somebody seems to have left some Trail Magic drinks here. Some LaCroix and beers. We took one earlier. And then maybe down here is Trail Magic. We're gonna see. All right, we just had some awesome Trail Magic. Pancakes, butter and syrup, they had chips and coffee.
Sodas.
What'd you think? Sodas?
Oh, it's so nice to have unexpected pancakes for brekkie.
Yeah, we both had kind of smaller breakfasts, and this was such a great surprise to make up for it.
Yeah, totally.
All right.
Makes the day that much better.
And now we keep walking. All right, we're getting a little drizzle here, so we're putting on the rain gear. Hopefully this doesn't last too long. It said there was like a 25% chance of rain today, and I guess it's here. But we'll see. Things change by the minute here, and you never really know how long it'll last. We're going up, up, up. I think about 1,000 feet of elevation continuing up on this mountain. I think it's our biggest mountain of the day. Somebody told us there's Trail Magic on the other side, so that would be incredible. Fingers crossed. We found this great Trail Magic. It was at this house off the side of the trail. We just had no idea there was even houses here, and they're doing hot dogs and hamburgers and drinks, and oh my gosh, so fun. We're having a great time. It's steep going up to the bald. Hey, we're on top of the bald here. It's windy, it's a little rainy, but it makes us feel tough.
I feel so alive.
So alive. The view is not bad. Could be probably obviously better in a clear day, but better than what we got at Max Patch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your luck might be getting a bit better, Ben.
It might be, yeah. All right, we'll show it to you.
Selfie. You have to get in this picture.
The spooky weather's back. So scary. Ah! Hello, everybody. It's been raining all day. We're
so much for 25%.
25% became like 125%.
Yeah.
It just went all out. So yeah, it's been a little like we've just been hanging by the fire here, and just trying to be as comfortable as possible. Yeah, so not that exciting. Nothing that exciting to share right now. But tomorrow we'll get to Irwin. That'll be exciting.
Yeah, we get Taco Bell.
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell.
Yeah, and then I think tonight it's just gonna be like movie night in our tents.
Yeah, everyone's like practically in their tents now.
Yeah.
But the fire was nice.
Fire was nice.
To get started. Yeah.
It is.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Well, good night, everybody, and hike on. Happy hikers.